Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open and fly the Skypiper M200 Nano Drone. This is the little one. It is a little one. Alright, we'll see how it flies. There's your box. That's the way it comes. By the way, you can't get this one anymore. They discontinued it. We have the 500 and we'll fly it also and compare them. Alright, let's open it up. Here is your transmitter. Yep. A stunt button on it there too. Your charging cable hooks into your PC and USB port. And here is the drone. It is a small one. Look at that. There's your charging port. On-off button. Right there. There we are. Here is your instruction manual. A lot of pages here. I think we better read up on it before we start flying it. Make sure we know what we're doing. Alright, let's go connect it and charge it up and we'll fly it and see how it does. Okay, here we're going to test and see if we need to do any trimming with it. Yeah, it kind of goes forward and to the left. We'll trim it back and right. A little bit better. Still forward. A little better. Yeah. Alright, let's do some flying now. See that red light's in the back. This is the first flight with it. That's not too bad. Whoop. Hit the fridge. Whoop. Upside down. Let's try it again. Landed it on the stove. I'm glad that thing ain't on. Whoop. Took off a little quick, didn't it? Now this is on sensitivity 2, the high sensitivity, excuse me. Real easy with the controls because it's sensitive. Whoop. Keep hitting stuff, don't I? Boing. Well, that refrigerator gets in my way, doesn't it? Okay, I think we're going to switch to low sensitivity. See if that's easier to fly. There we go. Landed it up on the counter that time. Back on the table, let's just do a little flying right in here. I'm not real good at landing, am I? We have the M500, which took the place of this one coming. Should be here any day. We'll get a video of it up here too. These things are a lot of fun. Not real easy to fly till you get used to them. But they're a lot of fun. Get one of them. See you on the next one.